Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss all the possible Lewis structures having formula CH2N2. In organic chemistry, there can be many possible compounds having same formula, same valence electrons but different structure. Such type of compounds are known as structural isomers. For that, let us count the total number of valence electrons. We have one carbon atom having 4 valence electrons, 2 hydrogen atom having 1 valence electron and 2 nitrogen atoms having 5 valence electrons. That gives us a total of 16 valence electrons. Now for the arrangement of atoms, we can have 4 possible structures. For the first one, we will arrange carbon in the center and the 2 nitrogen atoms adjacent to it somewhat like this, and arrange 2 hydrogen atoms on any of the nitrogen. Let us put 2 electrons between each atom for the bond formation. This way we have used up 8 electrons and left with 8 more. This nitrogen needs 6 more, the carbon needs 4 more and this nitrogen needs 2 more. Let us assign both nitrogen atoms 2 more electrons. This way we are left with 4 more, which we will put in between carbon and nitrogen. This will result in formation of triple bond in between carbon and nitrogen. This is one of the possible Lewis structure having formula CH2N2. The name of this compound is cyanamide and this is its structure. Let us move on to the second one. We will arrange carbon and 2 nitrogen atoms in series like this and arrange 2 hydrogen atoms on this terminal carbon. Let us put 2 electrons between each atom for bond formation. This way we have used up 8 electrons and we are left with 8 more. This carbon atom needs 2 more electrons for complete octet. The nitrogen in the center needs 4 more and this one needs 6 more. If we put 2 electrons around central nitrogen atom, the octet of carbon and this nitrogen will be complete. We are left with 4 more electrons which will be assigned to the terminal nitrogen. Now if we see, the octet of each and every atom is completed. And this is the second possible structure having formula CH2N2. The name of this compound is diazomethane and this is its structure. The third possible structure is of the class cyclocompounds in organic chemistry. As the name suggests, there will be a ring formation. We will arrange carbon and nitrogen in such a way that it will form a loop-like structure and attach 2 hydrogen atoms to carbon. Let us put 2 electrons between each atom for bond formation. This way we have used a total of 10 electrons and we are left with 6 more. As we can see, carbon atom has its octet completed. Remaining 2 nitrogen needs 8 more. But we have only 6 in our hand. So to overcome this problem, we will arrange 2 electrons in between nitrogen atoms and assign 2 electrons to each nitrogen atom. This is the third possible structure having formula CH2N2. The name of this compound is diazyrene and this is its structure. Let us move on to the next possible Lewis structure having formula CH2N2. We will arrange carbon in the center and 2 nitrogen atoms around it and attach 1 hydrogen atom to each nitrogen. Let us put 2 electrons between each atom for the bond formation. This way we have used 8 electrons and we are left with 6 more. Carbon needs 4 more electrons to complete its octet and so will assign it 4 more. Now each nitrogen needs 2 more to complete its octet and we still have 4 electrons left, so we'll assign 2 electrons to each nitrogen atom. This is the fourth possible structure having formula CH2N2. And the name of this compound is carbodimide and this is its structure. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.